Greetings, tubers, greetings. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good whatever. Whatever time of day you're watching. As suggested by the title of the video, we're going to a forgotten communal air raid shelter. I can't give out the location, nor can I really give any spoilers. Got to be quite close filming, proximity on the outside. Let's turn you around and let's see the entrance. Right, tubers, up against this box hedge lays this. Usually, one second. Usually looks more like this. Unfortunately, the bomb doors, or the bomb blast door's gone. You can see where it would have started to have hinged or attached. Let's remove that. Right, let's go down. It's very, that's about stomach height. It's very, oh pardon me, I've got indigestion there. It's very short, you have to crouch down to get in here. Just in front would have been the chemical toilet, we're told. This isn't an ordinary air raid shelter. It was built by the local homeowners as a communal air raid shelter. It's very different in design for ones I've seen before. Let's go a little bit further. If I didn't say already, this bit right in front was where the chemical toilet would have been. And it was apparently designed to deflect the blast as well. Not sure what this is. Looks like a pump of some description. Whether it's old enough to be wartime, I'm not sure. Right, there's the main corridor. It's not very long. You can see that ugly Herbert. This one's got drainage. And here we are, inside. He's got 3 air vents.
Where?
Hold on, Harry. At some point, it did have electric in it. I can't remember if the owner said it had electric in wartime, did it?
12 volt.
12 volt in wartime. Anyway, here's one of the air vents. He said there's 3 in total. There's the second one. 1, 2, 3. Oh, quite easy to find.
This is one of the best places I've actually been to.
Brilliant.
Probably the only
Well,
one.
I'm glad you like it.
What's this room?
Now, the owner also said the information passed on to him when he bought the land in this air raid shelter was in it. The design was that any nearby blast with this conical shape would deflect and go around and down into the ground, therefore making this a very solid structure. It's 4 foot thick, and I'll show you the outside where it's exposed now. 4 foot thick with a ship's anchor chain wrapped in it, wound in it.
Pretty cool. I'm only doing like 2-minute vlogs.
Oh yeah, Harry.
Yeah.
We might see a bit of Mini Mint's camera work one day. Anyway, he also said there were specially designed beds or built beds to take to get close to the wall. Not sure if you can really see how round it is, but it's just a round circular. I suppose that gives it the best impression. Right, let's go and have a look at the outside exposed bit. Right then, tubers, time to outro. Hope you enjoyed this mini explore. It's not a huge one, but they're all very important. Hope you're liking the content. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave any comments below. See you next time.